This is Nicholas Holland from Peregrine General Pest Control. Today we are here at AARCS, where we on an annual basis sponsor 2 dog kennels. This in turn allows AARCS to fulfill their mandate in the communities where they serve.
The amount of work that we're dealing with on a regular basis is increasing year after year, and we're always looking for new volunteers to come out and help. Our organization rescues dogs, cats, and small critters like rabbits, and rehomes nearly 4,500 animals each year.
At Peregrine, on a company level and personal level, we support a variety of volunteer programs in the communities where we work and live. Each employee at Peregrine has the opportunity to participate in a paid volunteer event on an annual basis that makes a difference in the communities where they live and serve.
We are so grateful for the support of Peregrine, both for sponsorship and their volunteers. If you can, be like them and join us.
Together, we can make a difference.